Hello everyone, welcome to the important Korean vocabularies for all. Learn quickly and smart way. Today we have words 시작하다. 시작하다. That means to start or to begin. 바로, 바로. Write correctly. 어느, any. Some or sudden, or it also can be means which. Kuracer, kuracer, and so accordingly. Muhak, muhak, that thing, whatever or what. 정부, 정부, government. 모든, 모든, everyone. One, one, number, how many times. 그가, 그가, that thing. 돈, 돈, money. 국가, 국가, a state or nation. 그런데, 그런데, but or however. 날, 날, a day. 여기, 여기, a hobby. 모두, 모두, every day. Thank you for watching. If you want more words and video, subscribe our channel. See you again. Bye bye.